This will be a speed test between the LG V60 ThinQ versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now the V60, this one has the Snapdragon 865, 8 gigs of RAM on Android 10, and on top it's LG Skin. iPhone 11 Pro Max has the Bionic 813, 4 gigs of RAM, latest version of iOS 13, all that good stuff. Turn on both at the same time. We'll see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Should be a fun little test here. LG versus Apple. Let's check it out. Do have some Verizon bloat on the LG, unfortunately. It's what I can get my hands on, so it is what it is. Oh man, now I gotta swipe up on the iPhone, but pretty fast boot up on both phones. Noise from the LG. So let me know in the comments below which one you would consider the winner. I mean, in real life, it's pretty much the same boot up time, right? I mean, negligible difference between the two, but let me know in the comments. And what is this? Get rid of that. And we are in. All right, let's go ahead and swipe over on both phones. These are the apps I'll be using for this speed test. All apps, caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. iPhone. The messages app. Ooh, very close. Maybe that was the V60. Slow down the video for me on YouTube. The camera. Whoops. Gotta pick up the phone, that's right. So you can see the viewfinder. A little bit faster on the 11 Pro. We'll go ahead and tap on the clock. A little bit faster on the iPhone. Start the stopwatch. Whoops. And leave that running in the background. Chrome versus Safari. Go. Very close. Do a search for, let's see, what should I do a search for? There we go, we'll just do that. GSM Arena. It's my go-to. And then let's see. Ooh, I think that was the iPhone. Let's go ahead and click on, what is this? Flashback the Nokia N95. We'll click on that. Check it out. Oh, I think that was the LG. LG with the comeback. Now, okay, you can pinch to zoom on here. Check out the speed. No crazy 120 hertz display on the iPhone though. And I cannot do that on the LG. So let's see, can we click on something else? Let's click on this. And then pinch to zoom. Nice and fast on the iPhone. Pretty quick on the LG as well. We'll go back and then let's see. Now usually on the bottom, we can check out the desktop version of this. So we'll do that. Go. See which one is faster here. And I think I'm gonna have to give it to the iPhone. These ads came up faster. Now what's happening to the LG? Will these ads show up or not? Well, depending on how you look at it, it might be a good thing that they're not showing up, right? Who wants ads on their phones? All right, give you an idea on the web browsing. Pretty good on both phones. Calculator. A little bit faster on the iPhone. Play Store, App Store, go. Give that to the LG. Let's see, I'm gonna do a search for, okay. Search for that. And whoops, click on it. And then we're gonna go ahead and install and get, and let's actually not do that. We'll leave it there instead. Amazon. Faster on the LG. Let's go ahead and click on, what can I click on? That's the same. Let's see. Click on this, and we'll leave it here. eBay. A little bit faster on the LG on this. We'll click on that. Ooh, I think that was the iPhone a little bit faster. We'll click on this. We'll leave it there. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Oh, so close. Maybe the iPhone by just a tiny bit. Tap to begin. Well, a lot faster on the iPhone on that second step. Tempo Run 2. Loading on both phones. Oh, I think the LG has it. Oh, and we'll give the win to the LG V60. Tap to play. Whoops. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. I think that iPhone might be ahead by a little bit here. We'll see. No, the LG caught up. Oh, can it maintain the lead? Oh, and we'll give the win to the LG V60 on this one. That was tight. I thought the iPhone had the lead, but the LG with the comeback, that was nice. Good job, LG. Asphalt 9. Gameloft. Oh, iPhone out in front. But will the LG catch up again? We'll see. Can it do it again? Can the LG catch? Oh! And the LG again with the comeback. Wow. Nice job, LG. On the processing, very nice. And then we do have the PUBG. All right. Now, on the PUBG, based on previous tests, iPhone's always faster. But we'll see, can the LG do it? Oh, as you can see, iPhone way out in front. We'll give the win to the iPhone here. And then, there we go. LG not far behind though. Get rid of that. And then we do have Twitter. Give that to the LG. IG. LG again. WhatsApp. I also missed touch on my part. My bad. Get rid of that. And then we'll do that again round 2. Let's go. Oh, so close. Slow down the video for me. And finally, we do have Snapchat. LG. Let's take a look at the RAM management on both phones. Everything is in the background so you can see. Now the V60 has 8 gigs of RAM, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's 8 gigs. iPhone is 4 gigs, I think, on the 11 Pro Max. Go ahead and just run through these apps again. We'll see if there's any reloads, any signs of lag, any stutters. Okay, looking good so far. Buttery smooth on both. Asphalt 9 is good to go. And then we do have the Angry Birds 2. Nice on both. And then Temple Run. Good to go, ready to resume on both phones. And then we do have the Mario Run. Mario time on both. Nice, eBay. Same place. Amazon. Same place. Play Store, App Store. Same place. We're gonna go ahead and install and get, and let's not do that. We'll just leave it there instead. We do have the calculator, good to go. Chrome and Safari. Oh, a little bit of a lag here on the iPhone, all right. And then we do have the clock here, good to go. The camera, gotta pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder a little bit better. And then let's check it out. A little bit faster on the right. And then we do have this one, messages. Oh, very close on that one. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you an LG fan? Do you like LG phones? Do you have a V60, the V50, the LG V40, or even a V30 from a couple years ago? What do you think of LG still keeping the headphone jack on the LG V60 here? So you can see, I think it's pretty cool. I kind of wish other manufacturers still kept the headphone jack. I guess I'm old school. Or are you an Apple iSheep, rocking your iPhone 11 Pro Max, regular iPhone 11, iPhone 10, iPhone XR? Are you looking forward to the rumored upcoming iPhone 9? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out. This will be a speed test between the Samsung, shit,